Kami po ay naging instrumento lang. And with that, I would like to acknowledge some groups attended this event. The Tau Gamma Phi. Maraming pong salamat. And of course, yung mga taga Maple Leaf, thank you. And sa inyo pong lahat, hindi man namin kayo maisa-isa. Again, we would like to thank you. We really appreciate your presence here tonight. Maraming salamat po. Again, I would like also to acknowledge again our sponsors. Aspire Healthcare Solutions, Gun Options, Samuel Sons and Company, Jerry Salapot, a restaurant, Brother Carlo Medina, Brother Paul Ilag, Merby Gutierrez of Pinoy Tribe Entertainment, 3M Fishbowl, Brother Ryan Reyes, Mars Sisi, Lam Flores, Torque Brewery, and Janine Policarpio. Maraming salamat po. Meron pa po tayong last set. Last set ng aming band. By the way, yung mga tumugtog po ngayong gabi, just to let you know, hindi po ito mga professional performers. Kami po ay membro ng aming grupo. Ang iba, majority of our performer here tonight are member of Freemasons here in Manitoba. So kami ay hindi naman kami mga binayarang performers. Lahat po kami dito ay volunteer din lang. Again, maraming salamat po sa suporta. Sa uulitin po, next year definitely gagawin po rin namin ito para makatulong din sa iba. Thank you po. Mabuhay po kayo.
Wala pa. Antayin natin yung ating tech. Goods lang mo ba tayo siya? Goods lang, goods. Tau Gamma Phi! Magigay! Thank you. Maraming salamat kay Pauline. The rest, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Tito Johnson, are you there? Wala pa? Mercy, wala pa? Wala pa si Tito John? Where's the dogs? Wala pa si Tito John? Nandiyan na si Tito John? Tito John is there. Pwede na kami mag-start. Magandang gabi po ulit. Again, we are Tito Jose. Thank you for coming tonight. This is our last set. And meron po tayong jump session at saka jump session request. Maybe, meron po tayong oras. It's still early. It's not even 11 yet. Pwede po tayo mag-request or mag-jump later after this last set. Magandang gabi po. Maraming salamat. The next song, if you know this song, please sing with me. This is sung by Jan Resnick. It's called I'm Still Waiting. salamat po. Thank you, thank you. The next song, this one is called December by Quantic. So, kung alam nyo, mga batang 90s. 90s. Cheers! Hey, tao ba mo? Ano ba? To my head, changes everything quiet. Just to my hand, choose your domain. You come bringing the game. Yeah. Don't think it out. Don't think it out. Turn your head up, baby, just set me out. Don't worry about it. Don't speak it down. Turn your head up, baby, just get me out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Anybody feel it? May alak na, may shot pa. Maraming salamat kay Sis Ella, ang aming butihing bouncer ng Tao Gamma Fit. Butihing may bahay ng aming mahal na kapatid na kuyang. Let's go. Let's go. Our next song is called Missing You by John Wayne. Kung alam niyo po, ito'y bagong-bago 2023 nung inilabas. Let's go, Missing You by John Wayne. Thank you sa mga nag-stay. Sayang ang third set. Ayan is third set pa rin, no? Last. Cheers! Thank you na marami again sa lahat ng tumalo. Okay, kami po ang worship. Maraming salamat again. Happy birthday, Worship Iron Lord. I love you, Kap. And again, ang ating one of the big sponsors sa ating event. Samuel and Sons. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much, Samuel and Sons. Thank you so much. Shot po, no? Pwede bang pass yung isa? Talap na eh. Naka-video ba to? Sige. Bahala kayo. Ang next song, kalmahan lang. Puso na puso. Thank you. Next song is called Unwell by Matchbox 20. Kasi may mga umabot ng era na to. Let's go. Friends with shadows of our hearing voices telling me that I should get some sleep because tomorrow might be good for something. Oh, time, thinking I'm heading for a breakdown. I don't know why. Just so talking to something boring, holding glasses on the train. I know, told me I've been talking about me. I can hear you whisper, and it makes me think there must be something wrong with me. I don't know what I was thinking. So maaga pa. Maaga pa ba? Ang next song, medyo ano tayo? Hindi pa tayo ng blues. 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 Sino mahihilig sa blues dyan? Blues na, blues. Blues. Let's go, let's go. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyong palakpak. Pakiramdam namin napakagaling namin dito. Before we play our next song, I would like to call on our worshipful master, Brother Elmer Marano. Yeah. For one of the certificates. Maraming salamat.
Good evening po ulit. Gusto lang namin magbigay ng certificate sa mga nag-band, sa mga sumugto, sa mga bandmates ni Kuya Mike at saka bandmates ni Kuya Jess. Sa Pinkan Band at saka sa Tito Jose Band. Token of appreciation lang.
Mr. Dexter Alamo. Brother Doms Golpe. Brother Tony Taginod. Brother Ryan Mateo. Brother Jess Nebran.
Dexter Alamo.
Koliski of Margaret Keramis. Mr. Glenn Olaya. Mr. Tion Adriano. And for the most person who sold a lot of tickets, Brother Mike Angeles.
Kuya Micah, we would like to invite Kuya Micah on the stage.
Thank you. Hapot lang. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Chairman. Thank you very much. I would like to call on our worshipful brother, very worshipful brother, Cesar Lorenzo. Parang bakit daw naman muna? Thank you. Worship.
Gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumuporta at sa isang tao na talagang he gave his the whole support lahat ng panahon niya dito. Robin! Hindi pa mangyayari itong event na to kundi kay Bobrin. At tawag po namin sa kanya si Chairman. Thank you, Bro Bing. You made this event happen. Thank you very much.
Thank you sa lahat ng committees, sa lahat ng tumulong, sa lahat ng nag-attend, sa lahat ng tumugtog, sa mga banda, sa lahat ng mga nag-sponsors. Yan. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa mga followers niyo, tsaka lalo na sa ating buting chairman ng event na ito, si Brother Vince. Again, bago namin ituloy yung aming next song, gusto kong pasalamatan ang banda na ito. Kasi ito pong banda namin is Last Minute Band. Dapat ang pangalan namin Last Minute eh. Hindi po sila member ng lodge namin, but they binigay nila yung oras nila para sa event na ito. Para tumulong. Walang kapalit. Pwede po bang palakpakan natin ang lahat ng membro ng banda ito? Maraming salamat. Hindi magiging posible po itong event na ito kung hindi dahil sa tulong ng ating mga buting volunteers. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Galing sa puso ko. Thank you very much. Alright. Balik na tayo. Anong kasunod? Teka lang. Teka lang. Last set na, ito yung kumbaga sa totoong buhay, yung todo ng banda. Hindi inabot ng mga umalis sayang. Pero ito yung ano, thank you. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-stay. Ang next song namin is called Easy. Easyhan lang ako. Konting palakpak lang, konting lang. Thank you, sir. Ito pong next song namin, testing lang to sa totoong buhay. Stolen by Dashboard Confessionals. Testing na to, susubukan na namin babae.